Every day, developers are launching new AI tools to improve planning, research, productivity, and business workflows. This is your weekly project update video covering practical releases and new platforms worth watching. Top trending AI agent projects this week help teams save time with automation, memory systems, voice workflows, and smarter decision tools.
Welcome back to Makko AI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1. Dune AI Simulation Agent for Strategic Decisions. Dune is an AI simulation platform from Project Mirage that helps teams test strategic decisions before acting in the real world. It uses AI agents to model scenarios, simulate outcomes, and explore how choices may affect operations, growth, or planning. Users can define variables and run multiple what-if paths inside one environment. This helps founders, operators, and planners reduce guesswork when making high-impact decisions. It matters because faster decisions need better forecasting tools. Try Dune to test your next strategy. Project number 2, the new Waydev, Engineering Analytics with AI Insights. Waydev is an engineering intelligence platform that helps software teams measure delivery performance and improve developer workflows. It connects with tools like GitHub, GitLab, Jira, and Azure DevOps to analyze coding activity, cycle time, pull requests, and team velocity. The platform uses AI insights to surface bottlenecks and planning opportunities across engineering operations. It is built for CTOs, engineering managers, and product leaders who need clearer visibility into software execution. Explore Waydev to improve engineering performance. Project number 3. Pegasus 1.5 by TwelveLabs, Multimodal Video Model for Understanding Content. Pegasus 1.5 by TwelveLabs is a multimodal AI model built for deep video understanding and search. It analyzes spoken words, visuals, actions, scenes, and context inside video files, so users can query video content in natural language. The system helps teams index media libraries, generate clips, monitor content, and build video-native AI products. It is useful for media, enterprise, and developer workflows where video data is hard to search manually. Try Pegasus 1.5 for smarter video workflows. Project number 4. Grantor, AI Grant Writing and Funding Assistant. Grantor is an AI funding assistant that helps startups, nonprofits, and researchers find grants and prepare stronger applications. It helps users discover relevant opportunity, draft proposals, organize requirements, and manage submission workflows in one place. The platform reduces the manual research and writing time usually required for grant applications. This matters for small teams that need funding but lack dedicated grant staff. Use Grantor to streamline your next application. Project number 5. Framer AI Website Builder for Modern Teams. Framer is an AI-assisted website platform that helps users design, publish, and manage websites without heavy coding. It combines visual editing, CMS tools, hosting, and AI generation inside one browser workspace. Users can create landing pages, startup sites, and marketing pages quickly through templates or prompts. It is built for founders, marketers, and designers who need fast web execution. Try Framer for your next website launch. Project number 6. PangeAI, AI Workspace for Global Team Productivity. PangeAI is an AI productivity platform designed to help distributed teams coordinate work, communication, and task execution. It provides a shared workspace where AI assists with planning, documentation, and workflow organization across teams. The system helps reduce friction in remote collaboration by centralizing context and actions. It is useful for startups and modern teams operating across time zones. Explore PangeAI to simplify team productivity. Project number 7. Makko AI, AI Design Assistant for Visual Creation. Makko AI is a creative AI platform that helps users generate visual assets, branded content, and design concepts from prompts. It turns ideas into usable graphics and layouts without requiring advanced design skills. The platform is built for marketers, founders, and creators who need fast visual production. This helps teams move from concept to campaign assets more quickly. Try Makko AI for rapid design workflows. Project number 8, DogBase V2 Official Launch, AI Memory System for Dog Care Records. DogBase is a pet management platform that helps dog owners and breeders organize records, schedules, and care information. It centralizes health history, feeding logs, breeding data, reminders, and dog profiles in one digital system. The platform is built for users who need structured pet data instead of scattered notes and spreadsheets. This makes long-term dog care easier to manage and track. Explore DogBase to organize your dog records. Wafer Mannen, Avanad Forte Nasaya. Project number 9. Wafer Pass, AI Access Pass for Premium Communities. Wafer Pass is a digital access platform that helps communities and brands manage memberships, perks, and gated experiences. It provides users with one pass for access to benefits, events, and partner experiences through a modern digital interface. The system simplifies how communities handle member identity and rewards. It is useful for brands and creators building loyal communities. Try Wafer Pass to power member access. Project number 10, QA Crow, AI Testing Platform for Quality Assurance Teams. QA Crow is an AI quality assurance platform that helps teams automate software testing and bug validation workflows. It supports test generation, issue tracking, and quality checks that reduce repetitive manual QA work. The platform is useful for startups and engineering teams shipping products quickly. It helps maintain product quality while increasing release speed. Explore QA Crow for smarter testing workflows. Quafrex. Project number 11, Claro Research Agents, Autonomous Agents for Research Workflows. Claro Research Agents is an AI research platform that uses autonomous agents to gather information, analyze sources, and produce structured findings. Users assign a topic, then agents search, compare, summarize, and organize results across multiple sources. The system helps founders, analysts, and teams save time on deep research tasks. It matters because information work increasingly needs speed with accuracy. Try Claro for your next research project. Project number 12, Appear, AI Visibility Tool for Online Presence. Appear is an AI growth platform that helps people and brands improve how they show up across online channels. It focuses on visibility, discoverability, and reputation by helping users manage digital presence in one workflow. The system is useful for founders, creators, and professionals who want stronger online reach. It simplifies a task that is usually fragmented across many tools. Explore Appear to improve your online presence. Project number 13, Ona AI, AI Personal Assistant for Everyday Tasks. Ona AI is a conversational AI assistant that helps users manage daily tasks, planning, and productivity through chat. It turns natural language requests into organized actions such as reminders, notes, schedules, or workflow support. The platform is designed for users who want a lightweight personal AI helper in one interface. It reduces friction in everyday planning and coordination. Try Ona AI for daily productivity support. Project number 14, Elytro Agent Wallet. Wallet built for autonomous AI agents. Elytro Agent Wallet is a digital wallet platform designed for AI agents that need to hold funds and transact securely. It enables autonomous systems to make payments, manage balances, and interact with financial workflows under controlled permissions. This supports emerging use cases where agents purchase services or execute commerce tasks. It is built for developers creating agent economies and automated transactions. Explore Elytro for agent-native payments. Project number 15, Wispr Flow, voice-first AI writing and control layer. Wispr Flow is a voice productivity assistant that turns speech into text, commands, and workflow actions across desktop apps. It enables users to write messages, create notes, and control tasks faster than typing alone. The platform is built for professionals who want hands-free productivity across everyday work. Voice-native workflows matter because faster input improves execution speed. Try Wispr Flow to work by voice. Project number 16, Sillage, AI Memory Assistant for Conversations. Sillage is an AI memory platform that helps users capture, organize, and retrieve important information from conversations and meetings. It turns spoken or written interactions into searchable memory that users can revisit later. This helps professionals avoid losing context across calls and ongoing work. It is useful for founders, operators, and teams managing many conversations. Explore Sillage to keep your important context searchable. Project number 17, Tinkery, AI Builder for Prototypes and Products. Tinkery is an AI creation platform that helps users turn ideas into prototypes, tools, and product experiments quickly. It supports prompt-based building workflows so users can create without starting from scratch. The platform is useful for makers, founders, and side project builders who need speed over complexity. It shortens the path from idea to working output. Try Tinkery to build your next concept. Project number 18, Leah, AI Relationship Assistant for Communication Support. Leah is an AI assistant focused on helping users improve communication, relationships, and everyday interactions. It provides guidance, drafting help, and conversation support through a private chat interface. The system is useful for users who want help navigating messages or personal communication with more clarity. It turns sensitive communication tasks into guided workflows. Explore Leah for smarter conversations. Project number 19, Mainteny, AI Maintenance Management for Operations Teams. Mainteny is a maintenance operations platform that helps teams manage assets, repairs, and service workflows. It centralizes work orders, schedules, records, and operational tasks in one system. The platform is built for businesses that need more reliable maintenance processes without spreadsheet chaos. This helps teams improve uptime and organization. Try Mainteny to streamline maintenance work. Project number 20, Fathom 3.0, AI Meeting Assistant for Notes in Action. Fathom 3.0 is an AI meeting assistant that records calls, creates notes, summarizes discussions, and tracks action items automatically. It integrates with meeting workflows so teams can focus on conversation instead of note-taking. The system helps sales, operations, and leadership teams retain important context after every meeting. AI meeting tools matter because communication volume keeps growing. Try Fathom for your next meeting. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.